Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Faris' Curious Lab. Today we're gonna show you just a simple science experiment. You can all do it at home and you can find all the equipment in your own kitchen. Faris, what is this book?
It's a science experiment book that if you don't know how to do the science experiment, it helps you do it in very easy steps.
So Faris, which experiment you're gonna do for us today?
We're gonna do bubble reaction.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, so now you can tell us what we need for this amazing experiment that you
We
said?
need a funnel, but make sure guys you need it to be dry inside, so not wet.
Why it should be dry, not wet?
Because if there are drops inside, this is gonna turn into like something like snow and it will stay
okay.
in there.
Okay, so it will stuck in the funnel.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And what is the next?
Bicarbonate of soda.
Oh my God, it's smoothie. I like it. Okay, and what next?
Balloon.
Balloon. Okay, and
2 tablespoons and vinegar and a bottle. You can choose any size of bottle. You want a milk bottle, a water bottle, and
Faris, now why do you wear your gloves?
so you can protect your hands from chemicals during the experiment.
Okay, so kids, please just remember, this is at the end is a reactions. So you always to have you wear your gloves, and you always you have to make sure that you don't have to touch your face even when you're wearing gloves, and always you should have
Grown-ups
approval.
The first thing we do is pour the vinegar in the bottle. Mama, which bottle do you want to use? Big one or small one?
I'm gonna choose the big one.
Okay, I'm just gonna choose the small one.
Okay. So now we're ready for the experiment?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Pour the vinegar inside yours.
I don't know how. That's enough.
Okay.
Probably.
Just do it. That's enough?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
That's not the exact same for my box. A bit above.
We finished from the vinegar and we're gonna put it back.
Balloon time.
Now what we have to do next?
Now we have to take the funnel and a balloon. Which color balloon do you want?
For me, I'm gonna choose the yellow one. Yellow is my favorite color.
I'm gonna choose the blue one.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we're gonna do, Faris?
Gonna put the neck of the balloon in the narrow part of the funnel.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. We're gonna put the narrow part of a funnel on the
neck of the balloon. Then we'll put 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Here's one.
One, okay.
And the other one.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And this is the other one. 2 is enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's your turn.
Oh, now I got it where you said that it should be dry. Okay, now I'm gonna do mine. Hold your balloon.
Now we're gonna hold the balloon.
So now again, can you hold the funnel for me?
Yeah, I'm gonna put my balloon down carefully.
Take it. Give me the. So we put.
Now this.
Okay.
Mama, you don't need to hold it.
Okay. Actually, I'm gonna put bigger spoons because mine is bigger also. So now we put the bicarbonate of soda inside the balloon. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All the amount now inside the balloon?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can Move it.
Now I'm gonna.
Now we have, show me. Oh my God, okay, yeah. Now what we have to do?
We have to put the balloon on this part, but when you're doing that, don't make it straight. You have to keep it like this,
So we don't have to tip any bicarbonate of soda inside the bottle,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, hold your bottle. I'm gonna help you.
Okay.
With it.
Just make sure that doesn't pop off. I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, okay, just help me also.
Okay.
Help me to do mine.
Gonna try to do that.
Okay, perfect. First,
not-
please, can you hold my bottle? Okay.
Now
So now,
we tip it.
okay. So Faris, what's is gonna happen now?
It's gonna blow up.
Oh, the both of them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So, can you tell me why they gonna blow up?
Because it's gonna, when the bicarbonate of soda reacts with the vinegar, it's gonna create carbon dioxide gas that's gonna go rise up, and then it's gonna fill up the balloon, then it's gonna blow up.
So you mean that the balloon is gonna blow up, just like coming bigger and bigger and
Yeah,
bigger?
yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's remove this. So now what?
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go.
So now the gas is fill into the balloon?
Yeah.
Wow! Wow! That's amazing, Faris!
Ow.
But mine is bigger than yours.
I know. Because yours has more vinegar. And mine has less.
Hey. Actually, I can smell vinegar.
I can smell something else.
What you can smell? No, I smell vinegar.
I smell something else. It smells like
Okay.
vinegar, but it's.
Wait. Oh my god, all the gas just go away.
I'm gonna.
Okay. But I really like this experiment.
I'm gonna take this out.
Wait.
How to.
Wait.
Ow! Ah. Mama, I want to.
I will help you.
So now, kids, we have a balloon full of carbon dioxide.
But I'm so sad that all my gas just go away. You can play with this one?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Faris's Curious Lab.
And please, if you can share our video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.